Hello, this is Mark Ramsey, President of Effective Project Solutions. Thank you for trying Program Leader. By the end of this video, you should be able to add and edit activities and project records, run reports, and print. Now let's begin. Download one of the two programs from the download page. I'll select the clean version. After you follow instructions with the installer, you will find the Program Leader icon on your desktop. Double-click it. This is the home page. When it appears, click either Activities, Projects, or Financial. We'll select Projects. This is where you enter and edit project records. Click New Project or New Record and enter information. We'll skip the project definition. Click Update Record, and it's entered. Now let's add two activity records for this project. Click Activities in the Navigation section. Click New Record, and it'll start adding activities. And select the project that we entered through the project name. Update record, and here you go. Let's add another record. I'm going to try another project to enter. Notice this button comes up, Make Project Record. That's because I've entered an activity that doesn't have a project record. I'll click here and complete a new project record. The project name comes in automatically, and I'll assign a project manager here. And automatically you're taken back to the source activity. Let me go to the previous activity using this navigation button and say if I've already completed it. Notice that these fields become a little dark, and when I hit Update Record, the percent complete is recorded in field 5 as 100%. You can add other percentages as this activity progresses through to completion. Here are some features. Highlighting a title will allow you to click the item and run a report of the item below it. So here we have Site Black Forest, and a report for Black Forest will appear. Tooltips advise you what to do next. Pull-down menus allow you to select previous data. Clicking over here to the right will show activities added or changed today. Go to Previous Window is on most screens. It will take you to the previous used window. Coming up here, the Show Info and Hide Info button will show activity data and also organizational framework data, which is data that's on the project records and other records. The About takes you to Program Leader information. The Basic Advanced key will allow more functions to be shown in advanced mode and more databases that could be populated. Fit Window works with the zoom. The zoom is down here to the lower left. We're at 100% now. I can change to the 75% for a smaller screen. Hit Fit Window, and then the Program Leader will adjust. And as you go to other windows, they'll adjust as well. Let's return to 100%. The dashboard gives an indication of the number of activities on each project and also their cost status. Here are the projects, and if you click any of these, a report will run. And here's the status of activities being due and done and how early they were completed. Approved and committed changes are shown in this column, and estimated at completion impact is shown in this column. Precedence allows you to put in activities which are precedent or subsequent to the current activity. Here we have this current activity has two predecessors, here, here, and two successors, here and here. The float between the predecessor and successors is stated right here for the predecessors and right here for the successors. Calendar view is available here. It will show you activities due on any certain date. You click here and those activities will be selected. You can select the month you want to view. You can go to the current month and you can print. Budgets for activities are entered in the financial panel. Here you enter the dollars budgeted for an activity, the quality of the number, whether it's firm or estimated or risk, your cost code, if it's been approved or not, and if it has been, this will ask you when, and also by who approved it. This side of the panel shows information about a committed change. So you would indicate yes. The dollars committed is generally the budget. You can change that. This is where your purchase or change order number would be put in, and who actually is paid by the change. And that's a pull-down menu as well. You can run reports from the Program Leader menu here. The rest of the menus are unnecessary to master, except for setting up printing. And here you want to set up for landscape and 66% scaling. Instructions can be accessed with these little icons. It will take you to a window in the home page and pull up instructions. This panel also shows where you can see read the README first. If you're on the internet, you can see the training video catalog for more training. The complete documentation, click here and it will show up to the left. I maintain a blog for more information about task management. And if there's a problem backing up data, which is done with this program, you can go here and then the error codes for data backups will be shown in here. Let's return to the activities panel. Actually, we were at the financial panel. We'll go to activities and let's run a report for our project manager. A project manager can have more roles than just project managing. They might have direct tasks that they're responsible for, in which case they're an employee responsible for some activities, or they might be a supervisor of other resources on your project. Let's include everything that DeMarco might be doing, so we click here. And this is the report for him. Activities that are complete are shaded. If you click here, you'll go back to the activity entry panel for more information. Just go to current report and you'll take you right back to where you were. You can choose to hide completed activities right here, or show them again, or show them after a certain date, which I won't demonstrate here. And then you can navigate to other places. This is your print key, and from here you can print this as a report. Let's look at the home page a little more. We are starting you in the basic mode. We turn this to advanced mode, and these are other functions and people that are available to you. The reports can also be accessed from here. Different types of reports and instructions how to use them are right here. When you're in the advanced mode, more reports are available to you. And the server gives you a place to store your data in a high enough situation that you can access it from other devices in other locations. Here you would enter your full server or public folder path. Then you select to engage the server, and then you can test the server communication and see if Program Leader indeed can write and read from it. That's basically the operation. You're now pretty well trained in the basic mode. Returning to the home page, let's close the program now. Two dialogues will show that your data was backed up successfully. You should always back up work when shutting down. This shows that you successfully exported your project records to a folder called Maintenance in your My Documents folder. And this one shows that you've successfully exported activities and a security credential information to this file. The appendix in the documentation discusses where backups are kept. I'd recommend looking at the other videos as they are presented on my website in the days to come. Read the README first. It'll tell you about file structure. Email me if you have questions or call at the hours that are listed on my website. Thank you and best of luck.